Okay, well this is the iPhone MD for my car diagnostic tool. You use this tool in connection with your iPhone, iPod, iPad, anything from Apple range basically. But this is the tool itself which plugs into the diagnostic port of your vehicle. Now it's compatible with onboard diagnostic 2 ports, that is to say vehicles which are petrol and were made from 2001 or diesel and were made from 2004. So this is the tool which plugs into the diagnostic port, then communicates with your iPad or iPhone. Now the app which you need to download is a free app, and there it is there, it's MD for my car. Okay, and this is the box that the tool comes in itself. It's just basically has a bit of information on the back there. Have a quick read through that, pause it if you need to. There are further instructions inside the box as well. So we'll head out into the vehicle and we'll give it a try. Okay, so the dongle is now plugged into the diagnostic port, as you can see here. The diagnostic port on your vehicle will normally be under the dashboard, probably under the steering wheel, but this one is actually on the passenger side, but it can vary depending on the vehicle. Now this is also a bit of information that you will need to make note of before you set up the actual MD for my car code reader. So this page here is basically looking at the diagnostics of the vehicle. We see readiness monitors, and it basically tells us which part of the vehicle the diagnostic reader is actually reading from. The green lights are what it's actually reading, the grey lights unsupported. And obviously this is where we'll find any diagnostic codes, if there are any. Obviously this vehicle at the moment in time, there are no fault codes and there are no pending codes.